Welcome to our channel. If you've forgotten your Windows PC password and need to reset it, follow this simple guide to regain access to your computer and create a new secure password. Step 1. On the Windows login screen, click on I forgot my password link below the password field if you're using a Microsoft account. Step 2. Follow the password recovery wizard, which will ask you to verify your identity through email, phone, or security questions. Step 3. Check your registered email or phone for a verification code sent by Microsoft, then enter this code when prompted. Step 4. Once verified, create a new strong password that meets Microsoft's security requirements and click Next. Step 5. If you're using a local account instead of a Microsoft account, you'll need to use Password Reset Disk if you created one previously, or use security questions if available. Step 6. If you don't have a password reset disk on the login screen, look for Reset Password option below the password field and answer your security questions. Step 7. Create a new password after successfully answering the security questions, then confirm it. Step 8. If neither option works, you may need to boot into safe mode or use a Windows installation media to access advanced recovery options. Step 9. Once your password is reset, log in with your new password and immediately create a password reset disk to prevent future lockouts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.